How to change subtitle language on your YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your subtitles language on your YouTube. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your YouTube. After you head over to your YouTube, simply open up a video. After you open up a video, you'll need to tap on the settings icon on the top right. And after you tap on it, you will see a lot of options pop up. Now tap on captions. Now if your captions are turned off, simply turn it on. And right here, you will see auto translate. Tap on auto translate and then you will see the list of different languages. Now select whichever you want. And then now you will get the subtitles in that very language. And yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.